Hello everyone, this is Anas from Thessaloniki, and this is the card I decided to create for Make Your Own Card project, a Miss You card. So let's start with the original idea. I wanted the card to look like this, so I thought the best layout is the linear layout. These numbers, 1, 8 and 1, are the layout weight, which I wasn't quite sure if they were right, so I just had to try out. I will explain later at the code section. It's also obvious that we will use vertical orientation. Now let's take a look at the code. Linear's layout width and height is set to match parent because we want it to cover all of the screen. The first text view, the image view and the second text view must be in the correct order because we use vertical orientation. The layout width of every element is set to match parent because we want it to expand as much as the screen's width. About the height, we set them to 0 dp because we use the attribute layout weight. With this attribute, I can manage the height of the views by specifying a weight value. For instance, I use total layout weight 10, 1 for the first text, 8 for the image, and 1 for the other text. Imagine the screen's height is divided in 10 equal pieces. The image covers the 8 pieces and the other 2 goes to each text view. The background color, the text color, text alignment, and the text style are quite obvious what they do. They change the background color of the text view, the text color to white. The text alignment sets the text to the center of the text view. The text style changes the text to bold and italic. The text appearance attribute is for styling the views. I used it instead of text size attribute because there are plenty of defined styles and it's easier to remember them by their name. For example, here it's display 1. If you search for text appearance values, you can find out that the display 1 text size has 34 sp. Now, the font family changes the text font. I added a font with exactly the same way as we learned with the image, but let's give it a quick look because the font directory doesn't exist by default. So you go to the res directory, right click, new, and choose Android resource directory. In the resource type, change it from values to font. Just press OK and the font directory will come up. Now, in the font directory, right click and press Show in Explorer. Here in the font, you can add any font you want to. I used Allura, which I downloaded it from the fontsquirrel.com. Here you can choose any font you like. I was curious what fonts are available for Android Studio, so I just googled it and find out not only that you can add any font you want right here, but it also tells you the way how to do it. So if you have any questions, you can check it also here. And finally, here is a screenshot from my smartphone. I have LG G2. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment. I hope you liked the video and thanks.